Hello, today I'm going to show you not some unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce it as Baby Monitor with a 5.5 inches split screen two-way talk video baby monitor with camera and audio. It's an automatic motion tracking device with AI virtual fans, local video playback and cry detection. 5x zoom and the VOX and no Wi-Fi. In white, it comes by VIZOLINK. VIZOLINK brings us this baby phone. With the 5.5 inches baby monitor with PTZ camera system, the VB10S baby camera supports 355 degrees pan and 110 degrees tilt adjustments. With the 110 degrees viewing wide angle, this video baby monitor can bring us a much of broader monitoring range from all directions. And it is equipped with a 5.5 inch 720p HD display for a clearer picture and a better view. They understand that our focus point is not merely at the middle, and hence this video the baby monitor allows us to move the magnified scope freely, and it is enlarged maximum 5 times of zoom in. And we have 4 times split screen features. Unlike the usual baby monitors, this VB10S video baby monitor is equipped with a 4 split screen feature. This allows to see more cameras or babies side by side on the same screen. Therefore, we are able to see our baby's activities in different monitoring areas instead of moving the baby camera. This baby monitor allows us to connect up to 4 cameras in different rooms at the same time. That's cool. Instant alerts for baby's need. The VB10S baby monitor provides instant alerts for cry detection, room temperature, and customized danger zone, which ensuring us to always know when our baby needs us, even in Vox mode. If the baby makes a sound or a movement, the monitor will automatically give us a real-time alert. And we have a virtual fans zone setting and alerts. Because this baby monitor with camera and audio supports customized detection areas settings. So we can preset a virtual fence for our baby's motion range on the monitor. When our baby leaves the fence range, the monitor will alert us. And the baby movement auto tracking. There is no Wi-Fi baby cam. Is 355 degrees panable to capture all corners of a space and tilts 110 degrees to sea floor to ceiling. When detecting the baby's movement, the video baby camera for the room will automatically rotate to track the baby's motion, which can be greatly helps us always pay attention in our baby's activities. And of course, 24/7 video recording and local playback. Because this baby camera can automatically store the footage on a TF card, up to 128 GB, which can make us know any milestones or funny things about our little one, even we are not by the side at the moment. And all the recording, that the oldest videos will be overwritten when the TF card is full. Especially we can directly playback the video from the monitor, so no need to remove the TF card and plug into the computer to play the records. We have 5,000 mAh long standby and a Vox mode. With this 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this portable baby monitor can work 10 hours in regular mode. It supports a DC adapter or a power bank to charging. This wireless baby monitor also supports Vox power saving mode. In Vox modes, the display screen is off to save the power, but the monitor, of course, works normally. And we have an invisible IR light for the HD night vision. Because the baby cam has no Wi-Fi, it has 10 infrared night vision lights that automatically turn on under low light conditions. It provides a clearer picture in the night. We can see the baby's sleep or activity status at any time. The built-in invisible infrared light, no worry about affecting the baby's sleep of course, can make this happen. And of course, a secure and stable connection. With the enhanced 2.4 GHz FHSS technology, the VB10S baby monitor can keep the stable connectivity with 1,200 feet range coverage. No need of Wi-Fi and an app. This long-range baby monitor will automatically pair with the camera, and it is a unique data encryption technology ensures that the transmission cannot be hacked. 100% private connection, more secure and more stable, baby. And with a two-way talk and 10 Lullabies playbacks. The VB10S baby camera has a highly sensitive microphone and a speaker, which ensures a clear and smoother two-way audio conversation. It is easy to hear our little one when we need it, and quickly respond to them or play the pre-installed 10 lullabies to soothe our baby. This video baby monitor also supports feeding reminders. One key to set it. Very convenient for the new moms out there. Virtual fans in customized detection areas. Split screen feature. Vox power saving mode. And a secure transmission with 1,200 feet of long range. And it comes with easy installation. 10 lullabies. Feeding reminder. And two-way audio. That's all and more brings us the VIZOLINK baby monitor in a 5.5-inch split screen way with two-way talk video baby monitor system with a camera and audio settings. It's an auto motion tracking device, an AF virtual fans device, a local video playback device, and a cry detection option, and 5 times of zoom, a Vox, and no Wi-Fi is required for this VIZOLINK baby monitor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So